On bends by Eden, Adam, Ben, and Colby. Basic overview. The bends affects divers and is caused by gases in the blood expanding with incorrect ascension techniques. And as you can see, this is the regular size of gas in the blood, and with bends, the size of the gas molecules increase. And these gases expanding in the blood can cut off blood flow, and they can also be fatal. The gas laws that apply to bends is Boyles' law. The constant of Boyles' law is temperature and number of moles, and the formula is P1V1 equals P2V2. As you see in this graph, as the volume increases, the pressure decreases. Then this is an example of a direct inverse relationship between pressure and volume. There's an example calculation using bends in the Boyles' law. So we have this question up here. Pretty much, a diver is ascending from 100 meters underwater to 25 meters, or to a higher point, and the pressure is going from 110 atmospheres to 25 atmospheres, and the starting volume at 100 meters underwater is 0.05 liters. So we know the pressure 1 is 110 atmospheres. The pressure 2 is 25 atmospheres. Volume 1 is 0.05 liters, and we're solving for volume 2. That's unknown. So we have the working equation here, P1V1 equals P2V2, and we're trying to solve for V2 since that's unknown. So we have V2, we divide by P2 on both sides to get V2 equals P1V1 over P2. And then you have V2 and you set it equal, and you plug in all the values for P1, V1, and P2. So we have 110 atmospheres P1, 0.05 liters V1, and 0.5 atmospheres at P2. Plug that into your calculator, you should get 0.22 liters. So therefore, the volume of the gases in the diver's blood when he ascends to the pressure of 25 atmospheres is 0.22 liters, which will most likely cause bends because the volume is being multiplied by a factor of 4. We use Boyles' law because the pressure and volume are the variables being tested in this equation. Summary. Boyles' law is the amount of pressure per volume of blood in the veins. Good ascension techniques are crucial for divers. So as pressure increases, or as you approach the surface, pressure decreases and volume of the gases in the blood increases, which is why it is important to ascend slowly at a more gradual rate so your body can adjust to the changing pressure. Importance. Bends makes divers have to re-immerse slowly, and as pressure increases, the volume of the blood decreases. If that occurs too quickly, it can cause pain and physical damage. This is the normal size of gas bubbles in the bloodstream, and this is the largest size of gas bubbles in the bloodstream after bends occurs if a diver ascends too quickly. And this is our bibliography.